Hello and welcome back to Page of Contraptions. Quick video here today. These are truck bed attachment points. Now this one isn't installed, but as you'll notice here, this one has been. So basically they slide down into the bed and they allow you to pull them up to attach like your bungee cords, your straps, your ratchet straps, and whatever you need to be using to haul stuff that day. So I installed this one already. We're going to move over to the other side of the truck and I'll install this one and show you how they work.
Installing these attachment points was super easy. I simply angled them into the pre-made slots on the side of the truck bed and then pulled up slightly to lock them into position. Now you'll notice on my truck bed that I had to cut out the plastic paneling that borders the edge of my truck's bed, and that's because mine didn't have the slots already in it. Some trucks will already have this, which makes the process even easier. And you can see here that the metal is simply folded out flat again inside and is pulling up on the truck's sidewalls. Then I inserted 2 screws in order to lock down the entire bed attachment point.
And that's it. That was a pretty simple install, probably one of the simplest ones I've ever done. And overall probably took me about 5 minutes. Would have taken less if I didn't have to drill out the holes for these to go in. But altogether, I'm happy. I can put my straps on and we can get this truck on the road hauling stuff. So thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next episode. Page of Contraptions, signing out, hoping you have a fantastic day.